To fill up the vacancies of employees at various departments in Assam, the government had organized a written recruitment examination for nearly 30,000 posts of Grade 3 and Grade 4. Therefore, the mobile internet services will be suspended in 25 districts of Assam for 4 hours on 21st and 28th of August. It was announced by the Chief Minister of Assam on Wednesday. BJP government had promised to deliver 1 lakh government job to the youths of Assam if voted to power before the election. Keeping in view of the promise they had given, government had organized a written recruitment examination for nearly 30,000 posts of Grade 3 and Grade 4. As many as 14 lakhs government job aspirants are expected to appear in this recruitment drive. The dates for the examination are commenced on 21st and 28th of August. The duration of the examination would be of 2 hours for all the categories. The decision to suspend mobile internet services across Assam for 4 hours has been taken to reportedly ensure smooth conduct of recruitment exams. CM Sharma also shared the SOPs and asked the DCs to adhere to this in letter and spirit with adequate security measures throughout the examination period. News Desk report for Karbing Online.